Hi everyone, we are gonna talk about work in this video. In daily life, we hear that word work. What do you think of anything that comes to mind? For example, we say I have to go to work. But if we talk about work in physics, we have to take into consideration some things. For example, we have a block and I'm pulling with a force. Thanks to the force, the block is starting to move. Okay, and block's mass is m. We apply that force over this distance delta x, and VA is initial velocity and VF is final velocity. Okay, what does this figure mean? It means work is done on an object when the object moves in the same direction in which the force is exerted. If we look first picture, we can see force and motion are in the same axis, okay, y-axis. So we can say work is done on the bin. Let's look at the second picture. Direction of force is y-axis and direction of motion is x-axis. So we can conclude that no work is done on the bin because force and motion are in different axes. And finally, we can write formula of work. Work is equal to force minus delta x. I want to draw your attention. For example, we have a bin and its weight is 50 kilograms, 50 newtons, and I want to lift from ground with force, but force is equal to 40 newtons. Can I lift a bin? No, I can't. So a bin can't move, and delta x is equal to 0. If delta x is equal to 0, of course work is equal to 0. At the end of this lesson, we learn two things. If we talk about work in physical science, force and motion have to be in same axis, and the second is delta x is not equal to 0. Okay.